Good morning dear student. Today we learn about the computer chapter 1 for class 5th, classification of computer. Computer has not developed in a year of 2 to 3 years. At the long process, the starting of the advent views in China 3000 BC. Means today the generation of computer was developed very much and very high quality. Because of the generation and technology was developed year by year as a 3000 BC. Sometime the Charles Babbage was invented the first computer. The mechanical development of the computer can be very large calculation. The mechanical computer was very much developed about the computer generation, and the Charles Babbage was a first father of the computer which developed the first computer in our India. Then we learn about the classification of the computer according to the generation, according to the size and according to the functionalization. Means how the computer work as a generation development and how it is size can be developed and how it is functions can be developed generation by generation. In first generation 1940 to 1956, the vacuum tube and mechanical drum. Means one vacuum tube was there, which seen in this picture, page number 5. You see that vacuum tube and vacuum machine was there developed in this generation. This is in first generation 1940 to 1956. Then in second generation they can develop the scientifically at the second generation. In second generation 1956 to 1963 they developed that the transformation of the language. The computer cannot understand our language, so that they can develop the language of the computer as easier and as faster. Then in third generation 1964 to 1957 they generate the IC. IC means integrated circumference. Means the generation of the computer can develop the many types of integrations, and this size of computer can type in the green language. Then in fourth generation 1971, in fourth generation 1971 till the date. Means in this generation also they can develop many computers like microprocessor. Microprocessor means a small chip was there available in the computer which help to rewrite or make the information from the computer. In fifth generation means generation which having the technology was developed in this year. Means the technology was developed day by day in our country and having the many functions available in our computer. Further that we knowing that this is vacuum tube. This is vacuum tube and this is transmitter. Then technological circuits, microprocessor, ecological instance. Means these are the computers which are available in our country which having developed computer day by day. Then according to the size, first supercomputer. They are most powerful computer. They have very expensive. They are used to weather conformation of the deficiency resources. Means it was very powerful computer. It was very expensive because of its microcomputer, and it can be used to deficiency of research. Means scientists can be used to research about anything in the supercomputer. Second, mainframe computer. They are very large computer and having the many database network in the society. Then they are used to the big organizations. Then they are very faster and larger storage capability. They are having to use in business and scientifically research to the purpose. Means mainframe computer was used to the terminology of computer networking and used for the big organizations, and storage capability was very excellent and it is used to the business purpose or scientifically purpose. Then third, mini computer. It was very big in the microcomputer. Means microcomputer was some smaller than the mini computers, and the powerful microprocessor memory was very excellent and it's connected to the Wi-Fi connector. Then microcomputer. This is the microcomputer and it's mostly common used in the computer system. It was very small and knowing as a personal computer, and it's used to the school, offices, shop, home, and they carry easier and faster. Means we can computer here and there and used in the personal computer. It was small in size. Then the pocket computer. We all knowing that we having the smartphone which was developed as a computer in a small size. This is known as the pocket computer also because it's having the all functions available with the computer networking. Then according to the function. We knowing that analog computer, diagonal computer and hybrid computer. Analog computer was movement of the data transfer here and there. It's having the wireless connection also. Then digital computer, it's flow the directly to the computer networking and pushes the seriously directions to the OS and IS networking. Then hybrid computer. Analog computer and digital computer was the both networking in the hybrid computer. Means hybrid computer have connection of analog and digital computer both. Then characters of modification computer. We have all knowing that computer functions have many development in the technology. First, speed. The computer have amazing speed. When we can calculations or the medical improvements or the scientifically proved business purpose, technical purpose networking was very available in the speed. Then accuracy, it's take the faster and accuracy data in the within a minute. Memory, it's having the more memory storage available in the computer. Then portability, it's we can use in the music, gaming, typing, etc. in the computer networking. And the first thing available that calculator was also available in the computer. We make the drawing, presentation, software engineering. They all was having the computer which generate in this generation. This is the chapter classification of computer and having the three classification according to the generation, size and function. So the student listen carefully the video and the PDF was available already in your group. Thank you. Calculations or the medical improvements or the scientifically proved business purpose, technical purpose networking was very available in the speed. Then accuracy, it's take the faster and accuracy data in the within a minute. Memory, it's having the more memory storage available in the computer. Then portability, it's we can use in the music, gaming, typing, etc. in the computer networking. And the first thing available that calculator was also available in the computer. We make the drawing, presentation, software engineering. They all was having the computer which generate in this generation. This is the chapter classification of computer and having the three classification according to the generation, size and function. So the student listen carefully the video and the PDF was available already in your group. Thank you.